Yeah. You can, of course, shut down the
Global sources: eBay, Amazon, Wish. Each year, we will attend some famous global electronics exhibition, such as International Consumer Electronics Expo Indonesia,